Hey guys, welcome to my channel Harshivo Edu. Today we will discuss about how to record videos in Mac in free. Okay, so in Mac, when you buy a Mac, the laptop comes costly, and with that, all the apps gonna cost you too much bucks. But to record videos and to record high quality of screens, you don't have to spend so much money, since there is a software called as QuickTime Player, which is available in Mac, that too in free, and you can make really high quality of videos using this app. So let's get started and see. Okay, so I have already installed QuickTime Player. If you have not installed it, you can go to the Apple support site and then you can install it for Mac. Okay, but if this is the one way, and the another way is to go to the App Store and type here QuickTime Player. You can see it's coming in options, and then download it. Mine is already downloaded, so it's not showing an option. Okay, so you can install it in this way. So to start with recording it, you have to just click on the QuickTime Player. See, I have already click on it, so it's showing in the top menu bar. Its options are already showing here. Okay, so what I will do, I'll tell you the first thing that you need to do. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to locate in the folder where you want to save your videos, like in documents, downloads, desktop, where you want to save your video. Okay, and after that you go to file, and there are three options of recording. The one is movie recording, one is audio recording, and one is screen recording. So if you want to record yourself, you click on this option. If you want to record your voice, you click on this option, and if you want to record your screen, you click on this option. Okay, so I'll show you how to record screen. So when you click on this option, this screen recording pop-up menu bar comes out, and when you click on the start recording, it displays this message. Click to record the full screen, drag to record part of the screen. Okay, so let's say if I want to record full screen, I'll just give a click. But if I want to record a particular portion of the screen, I'll just do a simple drag. Okay, and then I'll click on start recording. So my video is recording now, and let's say if you want to do anything, it's gonna record here. Let's say if you want to create a note, and if you want to show something, you can do this. And then the last option comes how to stop it. So to stop it, you click on this Apple icon, and then click on the you click on this QuickTime Player, and then click on quit QuickTime Player option. You can also use this as Command Q option as a shortcut. So I'll just do quit the command, and now it's asking you to save it, screen recording. I'll just give it name, same test, and then I'll save it. That's all from QuickTime Player. It's very less, very easy, and very useful. Thanks for now. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.